engineering. Where's the weakest point of a heavy freighter?
Right behind the nose section. It's all conduits and baffles.
Collision imminent.
Imogen!
She'll hold. Brace for impact. Sustained heavy damage. Contingencies enabled.
This is definitely not Noctua 27. Imogen, what's your status?
Damage assessment. Mothership life support and mainline subsystems green. All other systems, minimal. Furthermore, 2 of our 3 synthetic cores are offline. 1 remains operational.
Understood, Command. We appear to be in a large debris field inside the nebula that is blocking our sensors. What's the status of the gate?
The gate has power down. It's dead. Gate ID indicates we're at Terminus, an isolated gate on the ancient Outer Rim route. It was one of the first gates lost to the anomaly.
Which means we are crippled deep in the territory of whatever has been shutting down the gate network.
The odds of this being a coincidence are minimal.
Do you think this is what happened to Karen and the Fifth?
There's no way to tell, Isaac. The wreck of the Karsaju could be in any of the nebula densities, and we would never know unless we crashed into her. Be advised, this interference is blocking sensors in the local area. We're blind and vulnerable.
The Kushan has sustained severe hull damage. Build support frigates and initiate repairs to the mothership immediately. Frigate production bays must be brought online. Attention! Attention! Unidentified units have emerged from the nebula at speed and are inbound. Prepare for contact.
Let's try diplomacy first. Opening comms. Incoming vessels. This is the Higaran mothership, Kushan, on an open channel.
That sigil on the ships. It's the sign of Seljuk. I don't think they came to talk. They're testing us for weakness. Prepare for hostile contact.
Received. Send transmission. Yeah, copy. Interceptor reads. Ready to copy. Got it. Ready to copy. Confirmed. Copied your last. Received. Yeah, I copy you. Got it. Copy that. We copy.
They may not be talking to us, but I can hear them talking to each other. Nothing I recognize, though.
Try the historical database. Given that sigil, narrow it to the progenitors.
Send message.
In open space, we are exposed, but we can use the sensor interference from the nebula to our advantage. Move the mothership to this location within the nebula. Be advised, the metallic content of this nebula will make us invisible on enemy sensors. But if our enemies get close enough, they can still visually ID us. All hands, maintain combat readiness. Continue sensors monitoring. They're out there. Somewhere.
Interceptor reads. Received. Go for flight. Ready to copy.
Intel. Our attackers are using a derivative of an ancient progenitor dialect, implementing a translation protocol.
That explains their tech. Frigate production bays online. Objective complete. Begin construction on a support frigate immediately.
Yeah, controller here. Yeah, all set. I'm on the way. Multiple things coming back. One for recon is debris. Recon, move complete.
Support frigate construction complete.
Channel open, stand by.
Use them to repair the mothership immediately.
Go for support. Send. Clear and understood. Hold steady. Any density variance you need Holland on me.
Building and utilizing additional support frigates will speed up mothership repairs.
Copy. On our way. Red. Green line confirmed. Fleet net stable.
Support frigate is now ready.
Interceptor on station.
Receiving you.
Flight is on station. We're ready.
Attention.
Support frigate is now ready. Send
Mothership hull at 30%.
My board show green for main drives. Engines now online. Good work, repair teams. Are we hyperspace capable?
Our remaining core is in bad shape. Casing cracked. Power conduits sheared. Protocols crashed. And that's just what we can fix.
Understood.
Designated.
Flagging all your damage control requests as priority 1. We are in unknown territory, and we need to be able to jump at a moment's notice.
Mothership repairs proceeding apace. Outer hull conduits 23% functional.
New position. There.
Gunner, cancel cycling routines and maintain...
Advise crew to clear affected zones. I don't want anyone ending up a part of the hull.
Mothership hull integrity at 45%. Alpha team, I need more mainstay braces fabricated.
This is Command.
Ready.
Mothership hiding in
The
Nebula.
mothership has entered the nebula. Objective complete.
Core physical repairs are as good as they're going to get without help. Cybernetic systems are still failing, but I have a few more ideas.
Acknowledged. Notify me as soon as we are hyperspace capable. We don't want to be in this trapped system any longer than we have to.
Set. Will X. Vectoring for SO. Lead, how copy?
It's clear now we have fallen into a trap. One moment we were on course for the Noctua 27 system, and the next, something forced a hyperspace exit into our quantum waveform and dropped us through the Kala Gate. I can't imagine the power that would take. But now that I know how the progenitor tech they're using feels, I can modify our field amplifiers so it never happens again. Unfortunately, at this point, it doesn't matter how prepared we are, because we'll never make it to our objective on one partially operational core. According to our historical data, the only gate with a progenitor facility capable of repairing our cores is located in the Naraka Gate complex. With only one functional core, Naraka is now out of range. So we will have to use the Trinity Gate to get there.
Whoever this enemy is, they've been shadowing us since we arrived in system. The attack will come when it's optimal for them. We must gather resources and reinforce our fleet. Concentrations of resources are located here. Deploy resource controllers to these locations immediately.
Yeah. Ready to copy. Heading there now. I'm seeing some push pressure on the stairs. Hungry. Setting avoidance to alert only. Going manual. SO calculating and open for link. Awaiting figures lead. Much appreciated. We were getting lonely out here. Send message. Coming about on escort. Lead, come in. Reserve life support available throughout the ship. Delta team, we need to get medbays 8 and 13 back online ASAP. This is Bomber Lead. Move complete.
Shifting to...
Ops, update for you. Subsystem drag time is increasing. Got it. Confirmed. Fleet, we have a G-Max class freighter here. She's a mess. Hull compromised, debris everywhere. Her bridge looks intact, though. She's responding to my transponder query. I'm seeing activity out there. Let's be ready to move. Confirmed. Spinning up now. Maintain corrections as needed. Watch for offshoots. Let's not draw attention to ourselves. Looks like she had worse luck than we did with the gate transit. Wait a second. Is that what I think it is? Fleet, this is Controller 3-4. We found something. Looks like an assault frigate. From the 5th.
The Lost Fifth? Are you sure?
Already ran the hull designation. She's the frigate Hebeladin, last logged at Kasura Minor. Not responding to hails. No power readings. Approaching log. Target sync now. Okay, log in. Feed rate looks good. Keep us steady. Standing by. Waiting for orders.
Use a resource controller to salvage that frigate immediately. We need to recover its logs.
Go with message. Adjusting. Adjusting for cav. Active's going hot.
Mothership hull integrity at 65%. Landing bays clear.
We have positive capture lock. All latch points secure. Don't want any surprises.
Attention.
Standing by.
Fleet, multiple contacts detected. Large force inbound.
Stay focused. Be prepared for any attack pattern. Mothership is outside the nebula. Caution, we are visible to enemy sensors.
Operations. New positions.
Sensor alert. Enemy strike craft coming in fast. Gunner, monitor and engage. Enemy ship destroyed. Officer, collectors around. Material.
They hit hard. Where did they get this tech?
Undetermined. We are facing an unknown threat of equal or superior power. Possible progenitor origin.
Could have told you that when they started ripping through our armor.
Watch Group 2, their interceptor production complete.
That's it.
The enemy is using an anti-strike craft corvette. Recommend using bombers to engage.
We're saving.
We have it.
Alert. Strike craft. Group 2 reinforced.
Interceptor production complete.
Reporting critical. Corvette down. Good drop. Corvette destroyed. Critical intended.
Unknown hostiles eliminated. Threat contained. Objective complete.
Yeah, copy.
Mothership. Move to new position.
Understood. TAC 1, push all contact IDs to my screen.
Mothership hull integrity at 75%.
Use resource controllers to recover the wrecked frigate.
Group 2 reinforced.
Receiving. Send transmission. DC.
Mothership taking damage.
Systems. Interceptor on deck. Sarah figures. Ready. DC, this is flight lead looking to put down. Echo back. Got it, D.
Mothership hull integrity at 85%. All rescue teams report in. We still have unaccounted for.
The Hagaran frigate wreck has been recovered. Objective complete. The drifting container boxes are packed with resources. Begin salvage operations and collect those containers.
Wow. My ship. Can we keep it?
Assault frigate construction template now available. These powerful attack vessels will allow us to counter the enemy strike craft we have been facing.
Ready to copy. Okay, Command. We've secured the package. Setting return vector.
All hull breaches sealed. The mothership has been repaired. Objective complete.
Coming about on new course.
Intel. Engineering here. Update on our recovered frigate. Evidence of multiple short jumps.
Copy.
Bodies have been recovered. No survivors. Rations and all life support systems depleted. Looks like they ran until they had nothing left, and they hit the ship out here in the dark. Interior ice buildup indicates long exposure to vacuum. They've been out here for several years. There's a lot of encrypted data on board.
Understood. Decrypting ship logs now.
Receiving.
Strike targeting strike craft. Nailed it.
frigate ready for action.
Priority alert! Capital class signature detected. How are they doing this? That gate window reads like a long jump, but these ships have no cores, no navigators.
Combat alert. Hostile task forces enter the AO. Defend the mothership at all costs. Command, this is not good. We need to jump out now.
Every time I tried to feed the core the navigation matrix, it collapses. I need more time.
Understood.
Moving to guard. I'll copy.
Group 3, reinforced.
Recon here.
Dealing with incoming enemy threat is now priority 1. Consider salvaging to be a secondary objective.
Mothership.
Bomber production complete.
Resource operations underway.
Enemy frigate-class vessels on approach. We need to buy command some time.
Clearing copy.
Group 4, reinforced.
Ready Send message. Clear copy. High nebula. Ready to copy.
Group 4, reinforced.
Understood. Will X. Thrust output to 11. Sensor alert. Enemy strike craft.
Caution, resource controller taking damage. Group 1 suffering losses.
Lock.
Second enemy frigate en route to the mothership. Destroy it.
Receiving. It's getting pretty hot out here, Command. Got it. Ready to copy. Nailed it. Go for assault.
Bomber production complete. Group 1 is in trouble.
Move complete. Holding on station. Got it. Scrap that. You're one in line.
Come in. Back.
Send message.
Enemy frigate. Engaging. That's it. Frigate. Main range. Enemy frigate down.
Additional enemy forces are en route to the Carcassonne. We can't let them interfere with our jump.
We hear you, Intel.
Intel. Damaged core is finally holding a resonance. Not perfect, but it will hold. Just need to finish spooling up. When we are ready, we will have to go immediately, or risk quantum collapse. Group 4.
Understood. But when we initiate jump, we will need to dock strike craft, or they will be left behind. Until then, we need our strike craft defending the mothership. Timing will be crucial.
Receiving.
Group 3 needs support.
Core spooled, ready to initiate hyperspace.
Be advised, only capital ships will wake jump with a mothership. Undocked strike craft will be lost.
We've got you covered, Lady Imogen. Go. Attacking enemy frigate. Good shot. Send
Bomber production complete.
inbound.
Caution, resource controller has been engaged.
We copy. Understood. Recon here.
Assault frigate ready for action.
DC, this is on the lead on a... Ready to copy.
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
Cleared for evasive. Ready to copy.
Resource controller hull integrity at 75%.
Finding a nebula.
Channel open. Yes, understood.
Controller copies. Target destroyed.
Channel open. Stand by.
Go for assault.
Enemy strike craft. We're in trouble over here.
Command. Akadath Farron.
Akadath Farron. All hands. Stand by for hyperspace.
May the burden remain